Hello, I'm Commander Berg of the Federation Fleet Museum. I would like to invite all of you to tour our facility orbiting 8th and Prime here at the Fleet Museum. We offer daily tours of some of the most celebrated Starfleet vessels to have ever ventured among the stars. Our staff is dedicated to preserving and restoring Starship history. And today, you will have a chance to step aboard one of the finest vessels that Starfleet has ever produced. The USS Enterprise NCC 1701D, originally under the command of Captain Jean-Luc Picard. We've been implementing several accommodations to the Enterprise D to help meet the needs of museum visitors, including assigned group zones and increased capacity on turbo lifts. A shuttlecraft is waiting for you up ahead, fueled and ready to fly you here to the Fleet Museum and onto the Enterprise D. On behalf of Starfleet and the United Federation of Planets, we hope that your tour of the Enterprise D will inspire a future among the stars. Enjoy your visit.
Alright, my Warren Group passengers, you guys have all now been briefed. Make sure you stay on high alert as you guys head into the shuttle bay. Right this way.
Enjoy your tour, everyone. Alright, Orange Tour Group, we're going to go ahead and follow this blue group in. Right this way, everyone.
Approaching Federation Fleet Museum, 8th and Prime.
Alright, Orange Group, right this way. You're going to stay on your right-hand side. Right-hand side. Welcome aboard, friends.
Welcome to every shuttle aboard. Hello, welcome aboard. Now arriving. Stand for every flight as long as you're within those yellow lines. Welcome aboard the Enterprise D. Now, I know what you all may be thinking, but don't worry. Our atmospheric containment field will make sure that none of you go flying out into space. We take your safety very seriously.
Attention, Shuttle Bay 3. Now
Take a look at that view. It really is something special, isn't it? Space, the final frontier. Alright. Oh, does anybody recognize that starship docked just over there? That is Kirk's Enterprise, the Enterprise A. As we learned back in Starfleet Academy, it's one of the greatest Constitution class ships of
proximity alert. Unknown entity.
Unknown entity. Okay. Everybody remain calm. This is unusual, but like I said, we do have a force field here. That'll make sure that whatever that is stays out there. Shuttle Bay 2 bridge, get across the middle of the Shuttle Bay 3. Okay,
Warning. Anomaly detected in Shuttle Bay 3.
it has reached the ship. We may be under attack. Everybody remain calm. Sick bay. You go to sick bay. Follow me into the speedy source.
Everyone, come all the way into 6A. We should have enough room for everyone. We should be safe in here until we figure out what's going on. That's not right. What in the neutral zone is going on here? That doesn't make any sense. All this old tech, everything's malfunctioning. Computer, analyze the energy signature of the interference. Is it isolated to this area? Computer?
Negative. Anomaly present on decks 12 through 15, 16, 17.
That's not possible. Let me try something else.
Attention all decks. Yellow alert.
We're at yellow alert. That's not good. Whatever this thing is, it's on the move. Sick beta engineering.
Unable to complete transmission.
Now it's messing with the comms. Everyone, I'm very sorry about your tour, but as you can see, we're dealing with something right now. I'm going to send you all straight through to engineering. They should be able to figure out what's going on here, and you should be safe there as well. Follow this corridor through there, and this one on your side. Stay with your groups for safety. I'm going to stay here and try and figure things out on this end. Be careful, everyone. Sick bay to the bridge.
Stand by while we try and figure out what's going on here. This doesn't make any sense.
Look at everything.
The systems were fine just moments ago.
Can't get anything online.
Who sent you here? Anyone who sent you here?
Sick bay, shuttle bay, give me a location, people. Thank you.
Sick bay. Try them, I suppose.
Engineering to sick bay. Sick bay, acknowledge. Comms
Sick
just
bay.
go down.
It's no use.
Is everyone all right?
Is everything?
Yes. Well, there's a start. Everyone stand by. We're gonna figure this out.
Have we tried?
I don't know if it'll work. What is this thing?
You know, whatever it is, it's accessing nearly every system on the ship.
See if there's a way you can slow it down.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Access denied.
It's locking me out of systems override.
Oh, we need to
Reverse the polarity of the warp core.
It's destabilizing.
Watch out, be careful. We are quickly losing magnetic containment.
Maybe if we...
All taxis. Ready. Alert. Core critical. Proceed to nearest transporters for immediate evacuation.
Immediate evacuation.
Alright? We need to get everyone off this ship.
Proceed to the nearest terminus as quickly and safely as you can.
Go!
This is not a drill.
Right
You're in
behind
red
you.
alert. Move.
Not in a drill, people. Let's go. Red alert.
Move. Go.
Wait.
Computer, emergency override. Authorization code data 9733. Everyone all right? No sustain any injuries. You're all right. Computer, acknowledge. Do not worry. Computer, acknowledge. Transporter room.
Transporter room access denied. Rerouting.
This is not correct. Where are you taking us? We need to evacuate the ship. Computer! Computer, transporter room, now! There must be a bunch of activation. Transporter room!
Bridge. Bridge.
Bridge, hurry. Stay together. I'll be right away.
All levels.
Okay, but we have to take back the ship.
Now this thing is taking control of everything.
There's a tour room here.
Come on. On the bridge, please. You'll be safe
There's
here.
room in the floor.
Inside. Remain calm.
Okay, stay where you are. We're all gonna get through this together somehow.
No, it's no use coming. We're locked out.
And even if our mental is locked,
It's the entity. What do?
fire full pump our meter.
They're all fine. Chemistry shield? Negative. Nothing is responding. We are completely locked out.
Translation request confirmed. Establishing comms.
What? Who's doing that?
The entity is accessing the ship's universal translator.
Stand by for incoming transmission.
Greetings. We mean you no harm. We apologize for concern. We were curious, fascinated by your kind.
Computer, scan and identify the entity.
There is currently no entry for this life form in the Federation database.
Wait, what?
You two were born of the stars. You will be remembered until next we meet.
Did we just make first contact?
Yes! Yes, we did.
Yes. Here's what we have.
We have to report this to Starfleet Command.
First, let us get all of you to the transports. Bridge to transport. We're sending a tour group your way, please. Exit the bridge swiftly and safely. Live long.
Live long and prosper.
Thank you, gentle beings. To the
That was a
transport.
lot.
Live long and
I
safe
think all
travel.
of us should go to 10th floor after this. Some breathing traffic.
those guys